On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Reels not showing easily and fast. First thing you wanna do, guys, is open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager, go to the apps. Now on this page you have to wait a few seconds. It will show you all the apps that you have on your phone. So after that you have to scroll until you find Facebook. If you didn't find it, you can search for it here in the search bar. Click on Facebook, click on force stop, and then click on storage, click on clear cache, go back, click on power usage details, click again here on this force stop option, and make sure the power consumption alert is enabled. And last thing you want to do is make sure to update your Facebook into the latest version, because 99% the problem is from the update. So make sure to update your Facebook in the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the end.